Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today again I am here with a new poem, The Snake Trying. This one is the ninth poem written by W. Ross. In this poem, poet wants to convey a message that all snakes are not poisonous, so unnecessary we need not to kill, as we have thinking that snakes are symbol of death. So we have to see how this poet wants to tell us, and which type of snake generally he has mentioned in this poem. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with a sudden curving of the thin long body. This snake trying to escape, trying to save himself from a stick which is chasing him, following him, making, curving, twisting his body, running, and as his body is a long body, making twisting, just a curve on his body and running to save himself from that stick. How beautiful and graceful and are his shape. Poet describes his shape very beautiful, and the snake is very beautiful. His shape is very beautiful and graceful, and just very nice. You see his shape as he running, making, twisting his body, making curve on his body, and trying to save himself from the stick which is chasing him. See that graceful shapes and glides through the water away from the stroke. Glides, moves away from the water, just from the stroke from the stroke that trying to save from the beat which that particular stick is trying to hit him. So he is trying to save himself as he is running fast, and oh, let him go over the water into the reeds. Here poet pleads, let him go over the water, don't kill him. You see that him go over the water into the reeds to hide. Reeds here, water and marshy plants having thick stem. Generally these all are growing substances in water bodies. So this type of the see the green vegetation one can see in marshy area, or even in the water body, near the water body. He says, let him go through this just reeds and hide himself without hurt. Small and green, he is harmless. He is small, he is harmless, poisonless, and he is even not harm the small children. So let him go, don't kill him, don't hurt him. Okay, without any hurt, let him go. See, small and green and harmless even to children, even he is not harmful for small children. So let him go. Let him go away. Let him hide in reeds without any harm, without any injury. See, along the sand he lay until observed. When he is not observed, he is not seen by someone, he was quietly resting, taking rest, laying, or see that on the just until observed he chased away, and now he is vanishes in the ripples among the green slim. He was sleeping on sand, and he is now trying to save this time as a moving fast, and now trying to banishes disappear in the ripples, just ripples which is made waves produced by the uh, water. Okay, small movement of the surface of the water. So let him go, don't harm him. Okay, and as he's trying to just save himself, he is a green, slim, very thin and very nice one, and just trying to hide himself in reeds. So this is the main objective of the poem, कि we need not to kill snakes, as all snakes are not poisonous. So just see that sometimes we must have sympathy for these creature, as the people generally consider snakes fearsome and symbol of death. So this much given in this poem. Let us see some questions here. Here now, what is the snake trying to escape from? The snake is trying to escape from chasing stick. Okay, stick who is following to kill him, or just wants to hit him. Is it a harmful snake? What is its color? It is not a harmful, it is a beautiful one, and its color is green. So this one is a harmless snake. See, the poets find the snake beautiful, find the words he uses to convey its beauty. Poet says that the snake was beautiful. He uses words, just these are the words he has used: beautiful, graceful, small, green, and harmless, etc., etc., to convey his beauty. So this one is, what does the poet wish for the snake? The poet wishes that the snake should not be killed. We need not to kill snake, as these all are natural creature, we know, but we should be careful, but unnecessary need not to kill them. Okay, as the whatever the concept we have, all snakes are fearful one, just fear someone as a poisonous one. So these all are known for the symbol of death, and that's why the people blindly killing them. So we must have sympathy for them and love for them also, but be cautious and careful always. Okay, see that. Where was the snake before anyone saw it and chased it away? Where does snake disappear? So snake was lying over the sand before it was observed and chased away, and he escaped and disappeared in the ripples among the reeds. Ripples among the reeds. So this much is given in this poem, and I think that is enough for today. Next poem in this series of poem, next in next poem I will come again. Till then, thank you very much. Thank you.